welcome to my channel. My name is Kia Savage and I'm here today with a hair review. Not my hair. I bought some wigs from Believe in Hair. So you're doing an unboxing with me. This is like a first impression. If you don't know about Believe in Hair, it's from Sarah B. Livin off of TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You've probably seen her everywhere. It's a hair business by a Black woman. So it is woman owned and Black owned. She has an affordable line as well as a luxury line. It looks so good. Wow. I did get 2 wigs. She has a deal going on right now that was buy 1 wig, get a bob for free. Here is the 12-inch bob. Ooh. That is a straight texture. I also have my 18-inch body wave texture. Oh, she has tons of goodies in here. So we'll open this bag first. Okay, it looks like this is the bag to store your wig in. And then this is a bonnet. Okay, so it comes with the wig caps, which is good because I thought I would have to grab some. This looks like the lace band. Great. I needed a new edge brush. And then it is a drawstring bonnet. Guys, super cute. It looks like we have the care instructions card. Wash hair in cold water to prevent frizziness and shedding. Only use mild shampoos. Okay. Always sleep with a bonnet or a scarf. And they gave us a bonnet. There is more stuff, I guess, because okay, so it's another bonnet because I bought 2 wigs, I'm gonna assume. And then another wig bag. And then that's the elastic band to tighten the wig, another edge brush, and another lace band. Great. Time to get into the wigs. I'm gonna open up the bob first. One thing I really love is that she said her prices will not be increasing due to the tariffs. Oh, this has a band already and it is silicone, so it won't slip and slide. Let's give it a smell. Ooh. Okay, let's give it a smell test. Okay, it just smells like hair. Yeah, it just smells like hair. I would definitely need to flat iron it since it has a little bend. I did grab a measuring tape to measure the hair. I know it's only supposed to be 12 inches, but still, you can never be too sure. I'm grabbing it right from the temple. Yep, that's a strong 12 inches. Strong 12 inches. There's a few hairs coming out, so I'm sure after I wash it and let it air dry, it should be good. That is the lace. Ooh, it actually looks really good. Guys, should I just put it on now? Did the comb just come off? Oh, hell. Okay. This is longer than a bob. This hair is really dark. Oh my goodness. I don't even recognize myself. Okay, I'm gonna have to get used to this color. This is like really dark. I don't even think there was an option for a different color. But yeah, one of the combs came off, so I don't think that was supposed to happen. Oh, it actually looks like the comb is removable. There's like a little insert for you to use. So the combs are actually removable. Wow, that is actually innovative. This is the construction of the wig, so it looks pretty neat, sewn on. You'll see the clip at the bottom, which is also removable. Time to open up the 18-inch body wave. Okay, yeah, it just smells like hair. There's no funky smell or anything. This wig has a similar construction. Yeah, that's pretty uniform. Here is the lace. Let's brush it out and see. Wow. Oh, this is luscious. There are a couple strands coming out, so I'll be sure to wash it first. I'll do it from the same spot right here at the temples. That section is about 16. Okay, and that section's about 18. It looks more so like the tracks are definitely 18, and then some of the hairs in the closure might be 16. Okay, so here is the hair. Yeah, I have to get used to this darker color on me. This is like low-key overwhelming. Ooh, now that eats with some little baby hairs. Y'all, I just found my look. Oh, I'm excited. And then if I put a little curtain bang, oh yes. Ooh, okay, so for my initial impression, the hair is soft. Easily run my fingers through it, especially for body wave. I would love to see how it holds a curl. There are strands coming out right now, which I would hope after the first wash it dissipates, but I bought this hair with my own money. I want to say that also. And as you saw, I took this straight out the box and put it on my head. Guys, who is she? Oh my goodness. As far as the density, I will say it's like a regular density. Like it's probably 180, just like a regular density. Like that's the ponytail. It does get thinner towards the end, so it's not like raw hair is, where it's thick all the way through, which makes sense because this is more from her affordable line. I wanted to try this first, and then I wanted to try her luxury line next. The bob is thick all the way through. I do want to mention that. So if you are a bob person, let me know in the comments below if you try Believe in Hair. Let me know what your favorite product is, or if you're looking forward to the updates that I give you on this hair. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.